Hey everyone, so I was super excited to get this product right here for free for my personal review. It is a vacuum cleaner for the car that can hook up to your little power plug inside of the car. And basically this little paper shows you what comes inside, but I'm going to open it where you can see everything. It comes in this nice little case right here. Keep everything in and organized. Okay, so this is the product right here. It comes with a vacuum itself as well as 3 attachments. So here's the vacuum, and then here's the little power plug that you put in, like the little, like the little cigarette lighter part of your car. And this does come off. And then I'm going to show you the attachments that come in here as well. It comes with a flexible hose attachment, a brush attachment, and a nose attachment. This will be really good to get those little nooks and crannies. Attachment like that. So basically, the opening right here, you're just going to attach the hose in. It just slides right in. And then you can vacuum with this, or you can add one of these attachments. I'll probably use this one once I get to the car, because I think that would be really, really nice to get all the little crumbs and things like that. Just slide it off. Or you can use this attachment right here. Little brush attachment. And now that I look at it, you could probably even just use it like this without any of the attachments. I'm going to try it like this first, and then I'm going to add the attachments. But here's the on and off button right there. And like I say, you just plug this in your power part, or the part like the little cigarette lighter part. Plug that in. And this would be so great because I literally go to the car wash about once or twice a week just to vacuum crumbs and things that my kids waste in the back seat. So to have one of these in the car is a godsend, and I'm so excited to get this and to try it out. The cord is super, super long, as you can tell, so it'll be good to like get in the back seat and all under the seats and stuff. It comes with a little Velcro tab where you can tie it back up when you're done so that the cables won't be all loose all over the place. So I thought that would be great. And then it comes with the case that you could put everything back inside and have it nice and tidy all together. So I'm excited to go to the car now and try this out.